Boats sail on the rivers, and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Hello children, today we are going to study the poem The Rainbow. The poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Children, do you know how a rainbow is formed? Everybody loves a rainbow, especially small kids. A rainbow is an arc of color in the sky that can be seen when the sun shines through falling rain. The pattern of color starts with red on the outside and changes through orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo to violet on the inside. Children, you have seen boats sailing on the rivers. Sail, means of sail, travel. Boats, where does boats sail? On the river. And ships, ships sail on the seas. You know about rivers and seas? But clouds that sail across the sky. Means of across? One side to another side of something. Try to understand what is poet saying through the poem. She says boats sail on the rivers. Sail means travel, and ships sail on the seas. But clouds, poet says clouds that sail across the sky are more beautiful far than these, are prettier far than these. Okay. Now your second stanza. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. Students, we have seen so many beautiful bridges across the world. The bridges built over the river are very attractive. But students, according to the poet, the man-made bridges are not so beautiful. According to the poet, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. So children, what is more beautiful according to the poet? The rainbow. She says the rainbow which builds a road from earth to sky is more beautiful than the bridges which is made by man. Dear students, nature is always beautiful. As we all know, God's creation is awesome. Students, bridges means a structure built over a road or a river which is not attract to the poet. Students, in place of bridge, which one is attract to the poet? That is rainbow. The rainbow builds a road from earth to sky. Students, we see rainbows very rarely in the sky. So enjoy reading this unique little piece by Christina Rossetti. Okay, bye.